Who says you have to be an adult to start making money? Are you ready to get a head start on your financial future while you're still in high school? Welcome to How to Invest as a Teenager. Today I'm going to unlock the secrets to growing your money, starting as young as 13. Let's transform those spare dollars into your big dreams and propel you on your journey to becoming a financial wizard. Ready to take the first step? Age 13. Kickstart your investment journey. Hey there, young investors. Let's talk about a really cool word, time. You know, when it comes to investing, starting early gives you a huge advantage. Think of it like this. The longer your money is invested, the more it grows. It's just like rolling a snowball down a snowy hill. It picks up more snow and gets bigger as it rolls along. Now, even though you're just 13, you're in the perfect spot to get started. But there's a little catch. Since you're under 18, you can't open an investment account all by yourself. You'll need an adult, like a parent or guardian, to help you out. They can open what's called a custodial account for you. Think of a custodial account as a special kind of treasure chest where your money can grow, safe and sound. I know talking about money and investing might feel a bit awkward, especially if you've never talked about it with your parents before. But trust me, it's worth it. This is your chance to get ahead and learn about money early on. So don't be shy. Ask your parents to help you set up this account. It's like planting a tiny seed that will grow into a big, strong tree over time. Remember, the earlier you start, the better off you'll be. So take that first big step towards becoming money smart and set yourself up for a future where you're in control of your finances. Age 14. Discover your money-making talent. Alright, you're 14 now, and it's the perfect time to start figuring out what you're really good at. Think about this. The things you enjoy doing right now could be a way to make money in the future. It's all about exploring different hobbies and activities to discover your talents. Whether you're into sports, drawing, playing video games, or messing around with gadgets and tech, each of these can be more than just fun. They might be your first step towards making money. Don't worry if you're not making cash from your hobbies just yet. Right now, the most important thing is to learn and have fun. Every hobby teaches you something valuable. For instance, playing a sport isn't just about winning games. It teaches you discipline because you have to practice regularly. And working with computers or gadgets, that can help you become really good at solving problems and thinking critically. So start trying out different things. Maybe join a club at school or start a small project at home. It could be anything from starting a blog about your favorite hobby to making videos for YouTube. The more things you try, the better your chances of finding something you not only love but are also really good at. Plus, these experiences build skills that are important in life, no matter what career you choose later on. So, go ahead and dive into exploring your interests. Who knows? You might just stumble upon something that could turn into a money-making passion. Age 15. Stash your cash. Hey, you're 15 now, and this is a great age to start seriously thinking about your money. You might notice you're getting money as gifts from family during holidays or for your birthday. Here's a smart move. Start asking for cash instead of gifts. Cash is great because you can save it up for something really big in the future, instead of just spending it on small things that you might forget about in a few weeks. Why not also consider getting a weekend job? It could be anything from helping out in a local store, babysitting, or even mowing lawns in your neighborhood. Earning your own money can feel really empowering, and more importantly, it lets you start building your own stash of cash. Think of this stash as your personal launchpad. It's not just about saving to spend later, it's about saving with a purpose. Every dollar you put away is like adding a brick to the foundation of your future. Maybe you want to start a business someday, or you might want something big like a car when you're older. Having your own money saved up gives you the freedom to make those dreams a reality without depending on anyone else. So, start stashing that cash now. Treat it like a game where every dollar saved scores you points towards winning a more independent and secure future. It's one of the smartest things you can do as a teenager, setting you up for a lifetime of financial control and freedom. Age 16. Sharpen your skills. Turning 16 is a big deal, not just because you're getting closer to adulthood, but it's the perfect time to seriously start thinking about your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Maybe you love creating graphics on the computer, writing stories, or you have a knack for understanding how computer programs work. Now is the time to dive deeper into these interests. Why focus on skills? Because the skills you develop now can help you earn money later. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or coding, these are all skills that companies pay good money for. By getting better at what you love now, you'll be setting yourself up for future job opportunities where you can turn your passion into a paycheck. Investing in your skills is just as crucial as saving money. Think of it as preparing yourself for the real world. When you have valuable skills, you become more independent and capable. You won't just be another person looking for a job. You'll be someone with specific abilities that employers are searching for. So how do you start? Take classes, find tutorials online, join clubs or groups that focus on your interests, or even start your own small projects at home. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And don't rush. Enjoy the process of learning and getting better. Your future self will thank you for the time and effort you put in now. Age 17, get your driver's license. Welcome to 17. It's a big year, and one of the most exciting things you can do right now is get your driver's license. Sure, it might just seem like it's about being able to drive a car, but it's so much more than that. Getting your driver's license is a huge step towards independence. Why is this license so important? Well, with a driver's license, you can go places on your own without waiting for someone else to give you a ride. This means you can apply for jobs or gigs that are farther away from home, expanding your opportunities. For instance, if you're looking to make some extra cash, you can deliver food or drive people around if you meet the job requirements. Or maybe there's an amazing job or internship, but it requires reliable transportation. Now, you won't have to miss out. But it's not just about work. Being able to drive means you can go to school events, meet friends, or take a road trip without relying on your parents or public transport. It's about gaining the freedom to make your own choices about where you go and when. Driving is a skill that you will use your entire life. From your first job interview to someday maybe driving your own kids to school, this skill will always be valuable. So take the time to learn to drive safely and responsibly. It's an investment in your future freedom and independence. Age 18, the big financial step. Congrats on turning 18. You've hit a major milestone. You're officially an adult now. This isn't just a birthday. It's the start of some big financial responsibilities and opportunities. Let's talk about what you can do to set yourself up for a successful financial future. First up, it's time to open your own bank account if you haven't already. Having a bank account is essential. It's where you'll keep the money you earn from jobs or any other income. It's your money, and now you get to manage it your way. Next, think about getting a credit card. Now, this might sound a bit scary, but it's a powerful tool if used right. A credit card can help you build a good credit score, which you'll need if you ever want to borrow money for big things like a house or a car. The trick is to use it for small purchases and pay it off in full every month. That way, you won't get hit with high interest charges and you'll build your credit score safely. Lastly, start thinking about investing. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or other types of investments, putting some of your money into investments can help it grow over the years. It's like planting seeds that will grow into financial trees. You don't need a lot of money to start, but the sooner you begin, the more you can benefit from what's called compound interest. These steps aren't just about saving money, they're about making your money work for you as you step into adulthood. Welcome to financial independence. Long-term investing. Start now. Think about starting your investment journey right now, no matter how young you are. Have you ever heard of compound interest? It's like a superpower for your money. Here's how it works. When you invest money, that money earns interest, and then that interest earns more interest. It's a cycle that keeps on growing, and over time, even a small amount of money can turn into a big pile. Imagine planting a tiny seed in the ground. At first, it's just a small sprout, but as it gets water and sunlight, it grows bigger and stronger. Investing is similar. Your money is the seed, and compound interest is like the water and sunlight that help it grow. The longer you leave it, the bigger it grows. This is why starting early is so important. The more time your money has to grow, the more you will end up with when you need it, like when you retire. You might think you need a lot of money to start investing, but that's not true. Even a few dollars saved and invested regularly can grow significantly. You can start with a small amount that you won't even miss, like the money from skipping a couple of coffees each week. Investing isn't just for rich people or adults, it's for everyone, and the earlier you start, the better. So, consider talking to a financial advisor or doing some research on how to begin. It's one of the smartest things you can do for your future self. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button to join our community and get more smart money tips to boost your financial future. See you in the next video.